everyone, welcome back to AMG Cloud. In this video, we are going to see to some questions of the AWS Solutions Architect Associate exam. In this video, we are going to discuss 5 questions of the AWS Solutions Architect Associate exam. Please make sure to like this video before we begin. This will motivate me to create more questions like these so that you can practice and ace your exam. Let us start with the first question. A solutions architect works for a systems integrator running a platform that stores medical records. The government security policy mandates that patient data that contains personally identifiable information must be encrypted at all times, both at rest and in transit. Amazon S3 is used to back up data into the AWS cloud. How can the solutions architect ensure the medical records are properly secured? You have to choose 2 options. So you have 5 options in total. You have to choose 2 options as the answer. This is option 1. This is option 2. This is option 3. This is option 4. And lastly, this is option 5. So if you want some more time, you can surely pause the video and take your time. Okay, I'll give you 10 seconds itself. Your time starts now. Time up. Now let us analyze the answers. Let us start with option number 2. Enable server-side encryption with S3 managed keys on an S3 bucket using AES 128. Okay, this option is incorrect because AES 256 is a stronger encryption standard. Okay, so this option is not what we want. Incorrect answer. Let us go to option number 3. Attach an encrypted EBS volume to an EC2 instance. This option is also incorrect because it is unrelated to S3 backups. Okay, wrong answer. Option number 4. Upload the data using CloudFront with an EC2 origin. This option is also incorrect because it's not relevant to encrypting medical records in S3. Okay, so this is also the wrong answer. Alright, let us start with option 1 now. Before uploading the data to S3 over HTTPS, encrypt the data locally using your own encryption keys. This option is correct because encrypting data locally before upload ensures it's encrypted in transit and at rest. Okay, so your option number 1 is the correct answer. Okay, and next correct answer is option number 5, which is enable server-side encryption with S3 managed keys on an S3 bucket using AES 256. This option is correct because it enables server-side encryption in S3, ensuring data is encrypted at rest. Okay, so at the end, your option 1 and option 5, these 2 are the correct options. Okay, hope you got it. Let us move to the next question. A streaming solutions company is building a video streaming product by using an application load balancer that routes the request to the underlying EC2 instances. The engineering team has noticed a peculiar pattern. The ALB removes an instance from its pool of healthy instances whenever it is detected as unhealthy, but the auto-scaling group fails to kick in and provision the replacement instance. What could explain this anomaly? So you have 4 options for this. This is your option 1. Okay, this is your option 2. This is your option 3. And this is your option 4. Okay, so your time starts now. Time up. Now let us analyze the answers. Let us start with option 1. Both the auto-scaling group and application load balancer are using EC2 based health check. This option is incorrect because using the same health check EC2 based for both wouldn't cause this issue. Okay, so this is the wrong answer. Let us put option 2. The auto-scaling group is using ALB based health check and the application load balancer is using EC2 based health check. This option is incorrect because using ALB based health check for auto scaling and EC2 based for ALB would actually fix the issue. Okay, so wrong answer. Okay, let us go to option number 4. Both the auto scaling group and application load balancer are using ALB based health check. Okay, so option number 4 is also incorrect because using the same health check ALB based for both would also fix the issue, right? So option number 4 is also the wrong answer. Let us go to option 3. The auto scaling group is using EC2 based health check and application load balancer is using ALB based health check. This option is correct because the mismatch in health checks causes the issue. The ALB uses its own health check while auto scaling uses EC2's health check, which may not be in sync. Okay, so option number 3 is the correct answer for this question. Hope you got it. Why? Okay, let us proceed with the next question. Amazon EC2 instances in a development environment run between 9 a.m. and 5 p.m. Monday to Friday. Production instances run 24/7. Which pricing models should be used? Again, I guess you have 5. Yes, you have 5 options. You have to choose 2 options which will be correct. Okay, you will have 10 seconds timer. Your time starts now. Time up. Now let us analyze your answers. Option 1, use reserved instances for the development environment. This option is incorrect because it's a long-term commitment, not suitable for part-time usage. Okay, so wrong answer. Option number 1 is the wrong answer. Let us go to option 3. Use on-demand instances for the production environment. This option is incorrect because it's more expensive than reserved instances for 24/7 usage. So option number 3 is also the wrong answer. Okay. Option number 4, use spot instances for the development environment. This option is also incorrect because spot instances can be interrupted, not suitable for a development environment. Alright. So option number 4 is also the wrong answer. Let's go to option 2, on-demand capacity reservations for the development environment. Okay, so this option is correct for development because it ensures instance availability during specific hours without a long-term commitment. Alright, so option number 2 is the correct answer. One correct answer. Another correct answer is option number 5. Use reserved instances for the production environment. This option is also correct for production because it provides a discounted rate for 24/7 usage. Alright, let us confirm it once. Yes, you can see option number 2 and 5 are the correct answers of this question. Hope you got it. Why are these 2 the correct answers? If you have, then we can proceed to the next question, which is a big data company wants to optimize its daily extract transform load, which is ETL process that migrates and transforms data from its S3 based data lake to a Redshift cluster. The team wants to manage this daily job in a serverless environment. Which AWS service is best fit to manage this process without the need to configure or manage the underlying compute resources? You have 4 options for this. This is your option 1. This is your option 2. This is your option 3. This is your option 4. Alright, you'll again have 10 seconds time to answer this question. Your time starts now. Time up. Now let us analyze the answers. Option 2, AWS DMS, which is database migration service. This option is incorrect because it's designed for database migrations, not ETL processes. Okay, so option number 2 is the wrong answer. Option number 3, AWS data pipeline. This option is also incorrect because it requires managing resources, unlike AWS Glue's serverless approach. Alright, so option number 3 is also the wrong answer. Option number 4, Amazon EMR, is incorrect because it's managed because it is a managed Hadoop service, not suitable for serverless ETL jobs. Okay, so at the end we are left with option 1. AWS Glue. This option is correct because it's a serverless service that manages ETL jobs, transforming data from S3 to Redshift without requiring server management. Alright, so at the end, your option number 1, AWS Glue, is the correct answer. Hope you got it. Let us move to our next question. A solutions architect is creating a system that will run analytics on financial data for several hours a night, 5 days a week. The analysis is expected to run for the same duration and cannot be interrupted once it is started. The system will be required for a minimum of 1 year. What should the solutions architect configure to ensure the EC2 instances are available when they are needed? So this was your question. You have again 4 options. This is your option 1, this is option 2, this is option 3, and this is option 4. Alright, you'll get 10 seconds time to answer this question. Your time starts now. Time up. Now let us analyze the answers. Option 1, regional reserved instances. Option is incorrect because it provides a discount but doesn't guarantee availability for a specific duration. Okay, so option 1 is incorrect. Option 2, savings plans, is incorrect because it provides a discount but doesn't ensure instant availability. Alright, so option number 2 is also wrong. Yes. Option 4, on-demand instances, is incorrect because instances can be interrupted or be unavailable due to capacity issues. Okay, so option number 4 is also wrong. On-demand capacity reservations, which is option number 3, is correct because it guarantees EC2 instance availability for a specified duration, ensuring uninterrupted analytics processing. Alright, so at the end, your option number 3 is the correct answer. So that's it for today's video. Congratulations, you have successfully answered 5 questions in today's video. We have more questions like these in our channel. For AWS Solutions Architect, we have a separate playlist, and if you also want some questions for Cloud Practitioner, then you can get a playlist for that also. There are many sessions in each of this playlist, so go and answer them. And if you like our questions, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel AMG Cloud. That's it. I'll take your leave now. I'll meet you in the next session. Till then, keep learning, keep practicing, and keep exploring. Thank you and bye-bye.